Hello everyone. Right now I'm going to show you how to open Right now I'm going to show you how to open a new template that matches what your laser cutter will need in the following programs: Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, and LightBurn. So I'll start with Adobe Illustrator because that's usually the most responsive. And all you have to do is open the application and go over to New File over here. If you click on that, you can go into basically any template, but I usually go into Print and then A4, and then I change these presets to whatever the size of my laser cutter and the desired presets that I want. So first thing you need to do is change the dimensions used over here. So this is like our measuring point over here. So typically it will either be in points or pixels or inches, but we want millimeters. Millimeters is what we use in Australia, so let's use them. Now you need to put in the size of your laser cutter bed, or something slightly smaller, so that it gives you an idea of where things need to be and how big they need to be. Or you can do a size of your artwork. So for me, I'm going to do the size of my laser cutter bed. I'm going to make it 1200 by 600. And the orientation doesn't matter as long as the width and height is correct. The bleed is just the margins on the outside of the template, but we're just going to make that 0. That's just to give you a bit of wiggle room so you don't go overboard. Now the next thing that's really important is in advanced options you have to choose your color mode to be RGB. That matters because our laser cutter only cuts specific colors that are related to the RGB color mode. So select that one, and now you are right to create it. And here it is. The next one we'll go to is Inkscape. First, it'll pop up with this window here. Just select any template in here. Again, we'll go A4. It will pop up with this already, but what you can do is create a new one, new from template, and it'll give you these options here. So what we're going to go down to is the generic canvas option, and from there you put in your sizing. So custom width 1200 by 600 height for me, and units in millimeters, and you can leave the canvas background as normal and just go create from template, and then there you are, is our template. Now finally we're going to go into LightBurn. Now this one's a bit different. All you have to do is actually, when you set up the program itself, you select the laser cutter that you want. For me it's the Emblazer 2, and it will actually already have a canvas there ready for you, so you actually don't need to worry about setting it up. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll look at how to place an image in our program.